Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Python Tutorial, Counting List Items. Introduction. Counting the occurrences of items in a list is a common operation in Python. Fortunately, Python provides a built-in method called count, that makes this task straightforward. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the count method to count the occurrences of specific elements in a list. Example code. Explanation. Create a list. Use the count method. Display the results. Run the code. Output. Conclusion. Counting items in a list is a simple and efficient task in Python, thanks to the count method. This tutorial covered the basics of using count, with a practical example. Feel free to incorporate this knowledge into your projects whenever you need to tally occurrences within a list. ChatGPT.